What?
Where is Jang?
Wait, then.
Oh, there is Jang.
Hello, bác.
Hello, Jang.
Bác ơi.
Hello, hello, hello. Good evening.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello. Hi. Good evening. So good
Hello,
evening.
hello, hello.
Hello, hello, hello. So good evening, everyone, and welcome, welcome again to our class. So since Jang is here, so we will now start our lesson for today. But
Mẹ ơi, con
first,
làm đừng
but
chết tiếng Việt.
first,
Con nói tiếng Việt.
okay, but first, are you
Con không
ready
nói
for our lesson for today? Nam, are you
Yeah.
ready? Yes. How about you, Jang? Are you ready for our today's lesson? Jang, ready, ready? No. Yes. Okay, so for today's lesson, so we will talk about
Con nói
rainforest animals. So our lesson for today is rainforest animals. So can you say, Nam, rainforest?
Yeah.
Yes, can you say that one?
Mai ngủ chuyện.
Rainforest.
Yes.
Let's say rainforest
Mai
animals.
muốn làm đập chú ạ. Chú
How about
ạ.
you, Jang? Let's say rainforest animals. So let's look at the picture. Do you know what animal is in the picture?
This monkey.
Wow, very good. It's a monkey. So a monkey is a rainforest animals. So when we say rainforest animals, so they are animals that lives in the rainforest. So that will be our lesson for today. We will talk about these animals that live in the rainforest. So now let's go with our next page for us to find out more about this animal. So let's go. Okay, so let's look at the picture. So we call this rainforest. Let's say rain.
Forest. Forest.
Very good. Now, Jang, what's in the picture? There are, what do you see in the picture in the rainforest? What do you see? We see, let's read. We see rainforest animals. Okay, so now let's find out what are those animals. Oh, let's look at our first animal. What animal is
It's a
this?
snake. It's a
Wow,
snake.
it's a snake. Very good. Our first animal is a snake. Next, what animal is this?
It's a
It
monkey. A
it's a
monkey.
monkey. Very good. So this is a monkey. How about this one? What animal? What animal is this?
This is a bear.
Huh? Is this a bear?
Monkey.
A
Monkey.
monkey. Very good. How about this one? What animal is this?
This is a monkey.
Yes, this is a monkey. What color of the monkey is this one?
It's red.
Red. Very good. How about this one? What
It's
color?
brown.
It's
Brown.
brown. Goo goo gaga. Very good. So these are monkeys. How about our next animal? What animal is this? Hmm. Do you know
This uh
what animal? This is this. Do you know what animal is this? Yes or no? No. So we call this animal as a cat.
leopard.
Yes, this is, let's say, leopard.
Leopards.
Very good. So what animal is this? This is a leopard. Very good. So a leopard is a type of cat. So that's why it is called as cat. Next. Next animal.
Butterfly.
Wow, very good. You two are so smart. So this is a butterfly. What color is the butterfly?
It's blue.
It's
It's blue.
blue. Good job. It's blue. Good job. Next, what animal
It's a
is
parrot.
this?
It's a
Yes.
parrot.
Wow,
Parrot.
very good. This is a parrot. One more time. Let's say
Parrot.
parrot. Parrot. So this is a parrot. What color is the parrot?
Has red, blue, and yellow. White and black and
and
yellow.
yellow. Very good. So it has red, yellow, blue, black, and white. So very good. It has a lot of colors. Next, okay, what animal is this?
It's a frog. A frog.
A frog. Very good. So this is a frog. Let's next. What animal is our last animal?
The
Do you know?
bug. This is a bug.
Yes, this is a bug, but we call it as beetle. Let's say beetle.
Beetle.
Very good. So it is a kind of bug or insect. So it is what animal is this again?
Beetle.
Beetle. Very good. So good job. Now let's find out what this animal are. So let's read our first one. Can you read this one? Let's say the cat. Let's say the cat. Okay, let's look at our first animal. What do you call this animal? What do you call this? This is what animal is this? This is a leopard. Let's say leopard. So when we say cat or leopard, so a leopard is a big cat. So it has, what color is its coat? It's golden.
It's yellow.
Yes, it's golden and black spot. So it can,
Country.
very good. So leopard, so they can climb trees. So they are also, can you read this one? They are strong and fast. So it is they're one of the most popular characteristics. So they are strong and fast. So this is a leopard. Okay, let's go to our next animal. What animal is this?
It's a monkey.
It's a monkey. Very good. Let's say the monkey. Let's say the monkey. The monkey. Now, Nam, can you read this one? A
The
monkey.
monkey. The monkey is a playful animal with a jaw that likes to eat fruit and love climbing trees.
Very good. Now let's read this word again. Can you read this one, Nam? Let's say tail.
Tail.
Tail, very good. So when we say monkey, so it is a playful animal. So it likes to eat fruits. So fruits like, I don't have fruits here. So this one. Do you know what fruit is this?
Yeah.
What is that? What color is that? Color?
Brown.
Brown. Very good. How about this one? What fruit is this? Can you see?
This is peach.
Peach. Are you sure? It
Yes,
is a
it is
strawberry.
peach.
It is a
Peach.
strawberry. It
Peach.
has like this one.
Peach.
So peach. It can be peach, but it is a strawberry. So a monkey, so
Pink.
it likes to eat fruits and likes climbing the
Inside.
trees. Okay, so that is our second animal. Let's go to our next animal. Whoop. Okay, what animal is this?
It's a frog. This is a frog.
Frog, very
A frog.
good. Okay, can you read this one, Jan? A frog
Wow.
is
Has a sky blue. The
the
frog is a
color.
little animal that hops and lives near water.
Wow, good job, Nam. So a frog is a little animal and they hop
Bye.
and they live near water. So these are frogs. So it makes so it makes croaking sounds like cock. So so frogs so frog also eats. They eat insects. So they eat tiny insects. Okay, next, let's go to our next animal. What animal is
It's a
this?
parrot.
It's a parrot. Very good. So can you read can you read this one?
A parrot is a bright bird that can talk. It can copy sound like human words.
Very good. Let's read this word again. Let's say human. Human. Can you say human? Very good. So when we say parrot, so this is a parrot. So a parrot, it is a smart bird and it can talk. So when you say hello to a parrot, so it may say or it can say hello also because they copy sounds like human words. So they learn how to talk, they learn how to copy what a human says. So they can say hello, they can say hi, they can sing songs. So that's what a parrot can do. Okay, next. Let's go to our next animal. What animal is this? What animal is this? This is a snake. Very good. Let's read this one. A snake is a long.
Animal without legs that ground on the ground.
Very good. So a snake is a long animal. So it has no legs, but it crawls. It crawls like this on the ground. So let's look at this snake. So in the picture, so this snake also can climb trees in the rainforest. Some snakes have poison. Some snakes don't have poison. That is why it is dangerous to come near to a snake. So okay. especially when the snake
What does snake
lives.
eat? What does snake eat?
What does the snakes eat? So they eat meat.
So,
Yeah.
to come near to a snake.
Yes, snakes eat meats. That is why they eat other animals.
Meat.
Yes. They eat also other animals. That
Can eat TV.
they can eat TV. They might die if they ate TV. But they can eat, or they can eat TVs because their mouth, it can expand. They be like that. So they can also eat humans. They can also eat us. That is why we must not touch snakes because some of them are dangerous. Okay, next. Let's go to our next page. What animal is this? What animal is that?
It's a butterfly.
Yes, the butterfly. So this is a butterfly. So now let's read this one. A butterfly is a pretty insect. So they fly and drink nectars from flowers. So the food of the butterfly, so they eat nectars, or it is the syrup. So when we say nectar, it is the syrup that we can create, or we can have in flowers. So that is the main job of a butterfly. It is the same with bees. So bees also in some bees, so they also eat nectar or drink nectar from the flowers. So this is the butterfly. Next, what animal is this? What animal is this? Mm, yes, this is what animal? Beetle. Let's say beetle.
Beetle.
Very
A
good.
beetle, beetle, beetle. A beetle is a little insect with a hard shell. It has many colors and shapes.
Very good. So a beetle is a little insect, or is it? It is a bug with a hard shell. So it has many colors. So now let's look at the picture. What color is the beetle in the picture?
It has dark blue, and
Is it blue
white,
or
white,
white?
black, and yellow.
Yellow. Is
White,
it blue? Is it blue
white,
or purple?
white.
Is it blue or purple? So it is blue and purple. So blue,
No,
purple. No,
it's blue.
it's blue. Are you
Yes,
sure?
yes.
It looks purple. Okay, let's
No,
say no. Let's say blue, yellow, black, and white. So that is a beetle. So
wait,
next,
white.
where's white? This in the eyes of the beetle. So it has tiny
Uh,
whites. So it has tiny whites in there. Next, let's go to our next picture. What do you call the place in the picture? What do you call it?
it's circle.
It is
It's a rainforest.
very good. It is the rainforest. So let's read about the rainforest.
A
The rain
rainforest is a big forest with many tall trees, plants, and animals. In its forest, it rains a lot.
Very good. So thank you so much, Nam. So when we say rainforest, so it is like in the picture. So it is a kind of forest, or it is a big forest with many tall trees, plants, and animals. So these are some of the animals that lives in the rainforest. So it is called as rainforest because it always, or in this forest, so it rains a lot. That is why it is called as rainforest. So this forest is always wet because it rains a lot. Okay, next. Okay, let's have an activity. So you will choose from this word and we will have some pictures here. So you will tell me
Yeah.
what's
Monkey,
in the picture.
parrot, snake,
Yeah,
cat, beetles, butterfly, rainfall.
rainforest. It just caught. So that is rainforest. So now, what is in the picture? What do you
A
call the
frog,
place? What do you call the place? It is a rain.
rainforest.
Yes, very good. So it is the rainforest. Next, let's go to our next picture. What animal is this? What animal is this? Is it a monkey? Yes or no? What animal? Is this a monkey? Is this a frog? Is this a parrot? What animal is this? This is
Oh,
what animal? This is the snake. Very good. How about this one? What animal is this? This is the snake. Oh, wow, very good. This is the snake. Next. How about this one? What animal is this? Can you circle and match? What animal? This
this
is
is a monkey.
wow, very good. So this is a monkey. Good job. How about our next animal? What animal is this?
This is
Is it a dog? Yes or no?
it is a cat.
Very good. Good job. This is a cat. Next. What animal is this? Circle. What animal is this? Wow, very good. This is what animal is that? What do you call that animal? It is a butter.
It is a butterfly.
Very good. Wow. Next. What animal is this? What animal? Is this a beetle? Oh, very good. Wow, very good, Nam. This is a parrot. Next one. How about Jang? What animal is this one, Jang?
This is
This
a frog.
very good. This is a frog. How about our last animal? What do we call this animal? This is what animal? This is a beetle. Let's say beetle. What animal is that? This one. This is a beetle. Let's say beetle. Okay, very good everyone for doing this activity. Let's now go to our next page. Okay, let's look. What animal is this one? Yes, very good. Now let's read the sentence. Frog. Very good. Very good, love. How about Jack? Very good. Right. Right. The frog. Where's the letter G? Yeah, very good. It is. What animal is that, Jack?
It is a frog.
Very good. Good job. Next. Let's go to our next page. What animal is this? It is. Go, go, go. Right. B, E, E. Oh, is it a bug? Is it a bug? Or is, how about this one? It is a beetle. Let's say beetle. So this is a beetle. So let's read. I see a beetle. Can you read this one, Jack? I see. That's right. I see a beetle. Where is the beetle?
It's on the left.
Very good. So the beetle is on the leaf. So I see a beetle on the leaf. Very good. Next, let's go to our next animals. What animals are these?
This is a
These are, go, 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 write it. Pa, what animal? Go, go, go. These are pa, P-A-R. Right, right. Why is there a shape? What shape is that? Is that a triangle? Yes, pa. Where's the letter T? Let's write letter T.
okay.
So,
Oh,
what animal is this? It is a parrot. That's right, parrot. What are the parrots doing? What are the parrots doing? They are. What are the parrots doing? They are flying. What are they doing? They are flying in the sky. So how many parrots are there in the video? How many parrots? There are.
there are two.
Very
There are
good.
two.
Good job. There are two parrots. What color? What color are the
It's
parrots?
blue, yellow, and red,
And
black, and white.
very good. Blue. That's right. Blue, red, yellow, black, and white. So these are the color of the parrot. What are they doing? They are, the parrots are flying.
Flying
Flying in, where are they flying?
in the sky.
In the sky. Very good. Next, let's go to our next animal. What animals are these?
These are butterflies.
Very good. These are butterflies. Now let's read the sentence. There are,
Many butterflies on the flower.
very good. Now, how many butterflies are there in the picture? How many?
There are
What? Can you circle what?
five.
Wow, very good. So there are 5 butterflies. What color are the butterflies in the picture? What color are there? What color are the butterflies? What color? The butterflies are color. This one, what color is this? Color. What color of the butterfly is this? It is color. What color? Is it color black? Color black or red? Very good. Wow, very good. What color is the butterfly? It is red. Good job. How about this butterfly? What color is this butterfly? What color? Color blue. Very good. Color blue. How about this one? What color is this butterfly? It is what color? It is blue and and what is the other color? Wow, very good. It is blue and yellow. Good job. How about this butterfly? What color is this butterfly? This one. What color is this? Can you see? Oh, what color? It is color blue yellow and and or Rage. Wow, very good job, Nam and Chang. Good job. So these are the colors of the butterflies. So the butterflies are color red, blue, yellow, and orange. So good job. Now let's go to our next animal. What animal is this? What animal? This is what animal is this? the this this is a snake. Very good. Where's the other letters? This is what animal is this, Jang? What animal? This is the snake. Let's say the snake. Now let's read the sentence. Let's say the snake is crawling on the tree. Very good. So what is the snake doing? What is the snake doing? What is the snake doing? The snake is crawling. The snake is crawling on the tree. So very good. So the snake is crawling on the tree. Okay, so good job. Next, let us go with our next animals. Okay, now, what animals can you see in the picture? Can you see in the picture? What animal is this? What animal is this? This is what animal? A mon a monkey. Very good. How about this one? What animal is this? What animal is this? This is a butterfly. Let's say butter.
The fly.
Butterfly, very good. How about this one? What animal is this? This is... What animal is this? What animal is this, Jam?
It's a parrot.
Wow, very good, Jam. It's a parrot. How about this one? What animal is this? Jang, how about you, Jang? What animal is this? This is a cat. And it is Leo. Leo. Go, go, go now. What animal is that? It is a Leo. Leopard. That is a leopard. What do you call that animal, Lamb? Leopard. Very good. How about this animal? What animal is this? It is... It is a snake. Let's say snake.
Snake.
Very good. How about this tiny animal? What animal is this? What animal?
Snake is
It is
a frog.
a frog. Very good. How about our last animal in the picture? It is... It is a bee. A bee, a bee, a bee, a bee. Bee. Tell. Let's say beetle. Can you say beetle, Jang? Jang, Jang, are you there? Can you say beetle? Beetle, beetle, beetle. Okay, so now let's read our sentence. Let's say there is a monkey, butterfly, parrot, and let's read. There is a monkey, butterfly, parrot, cat, snake, frog, and beetle in the... Where are they? They are
Or in the forest.
the forest. What kind of forest?
Rain forest.
Very good. So they are in the rainforest. Okay, very good. Now let's go to our next page. Okay, so teacher has a question. So what animal is this?
It's a leopard.
It's a leopard.
Leopard.
Yeah, leopard. And
Yay!
what kind of animal is a leopard? It is a cat. Let's see. The leopard is a cat. Next. So teacher has another question. Are you scared of this animal? Yes or no? How about you, Nam? Are you scared of this animal?
No.
No. How about you, Jang? Are you scared of this animal? Yes or no? Are you scared? How about Nam? Why are you not scared of this animal?
Um,
Why are you not scared of this animal?
um, I
Why?
don't know.
No, I don't know. When this animal, so most of the people are scared of this animal
But I'm not
because,
scared.
but you are not scared, but teacher is scared of this animal because
Why?
leopards are big
Why are you
cats.
scared?
Leopards are big cats. So they are so fast and they are also strong. So when they chase you, so you cannot run faster than them because leopard are a fast animal and they have a large teeth. So those teeth are sharp. That is why this animal is dangerous, but you are so brave that you are not scared of this animal. So very good. Next. Let's go to our no. Okay, let's go to our next.
No.
No, let's go to our next animal. What animal is this? This is what
It's
animal?
a frog.
Very good. This is a
Frog.
frog. Good job. What what do you think? What can a frog do? What can a frog do?
A frog can hop.
Very good. A frog can hop. How about you, Jang? What can a frog do? Do they swim? Yes or no?
No.
They cannot swim? Are you sure? So a frog also can
See,
swim. Very good. And what do they eat? What does a frog eat?
they eat bug.
They eat
Bug.
they eat birds.
Bug.
Bugs. A frog can eat bugs or insects. So this
Insect.
these are the things that a frog can do. Next, do you think that this frog is friendly and safe? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, why? Why do you think that this frog is friendly and safe?
But the frog don't eat people.
Wow, very good. Because this frog don't eat people. Very good. How about you, Jang? Do you think this frog is friendly and safe? Yes or no? Yes or no, Jang? No. Is this frog safe? Is this frog safe? Yes or no, Jang? So for some people, Nam is right. So frogs are safe, but these frogs they don't want to be held because some frogs have or some frogs are poisonous. So some frogs are dangerous. That is why we must not come near these frogs. Okay? Okay, okay. Okay, next. Let's go to our next page. Okay, now let's read our question. So why do you think is the boy sad? Why do you think the boy is sad?
But the boy is really cold.
Because the boy is feeling cold. Very good. Because the boy is feeling cold. How about in the picture? What happened in the picture? What is this? Do you know what is this?
Marshmallow.
Yes, wow, very good. So this is a marshmallow. So what happened? What happened to the boy's marshmallow? What happened?
He's tired. Drop. He
He-
dropped his marshmallow.
Wow, very good. So the boy dropped his marshmallow. That is why he is sad. Okay, so teacher has a question for the both of you. So when you have a marshmallow and it got dropped, will you be also sad? Will you be sad if your marshmallow got dropped? Yes or no?
No.
No? Why not? Because it's your food and it got dropped. What will you eat? You will not be sad? Okay, how about this one? Let's look at this in the picture. Do you know what this object is? This one? So this is, we call it as tent. Let's say tent.
Tent.
Yes, very good. So a tent. So we use tents when we go camping. Like like this boy. So the boy is in a camping. That is why. So we have here a bonfire. Okay. So in the picture now, what are the other things that you can see in the picture?
I can see a tree, a
There,
fire, a boy, a tent,
a
a
train,
moon,
a moon,
a night,
what is that?
night.
Night, night. How about this one? What do you call this object? This. This is, what do you call that one? This is a table. Let's say table.
Table.
Very good. How about this one? What is this?
It's a bed.
It's a bed. Very good. It is a bed. Do you have a bed? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. What color is your bed, Jang? Jang, what color is your bed? Is it what color?
Pink.
Oh, the color of your bed is pink. So cute. How about you, Nam? What color is your bed?
My the color bed is blue.
Blue. Wow. Is it your favorite color? Blue?
No.
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 What is your favorite color?
It's orange.
Orange. How about you, Jang? Is
I
your favorite
favorite is I favorite blue and green.
blue and
Oh.
green? Your favorite color is blue and green. So next, what is this?
It's a train.
It's a train. Very good. Do you have a toy train? Yes or no?
No. No.
No. What do you have? What are your toys in your house? What are
I
your
don't have.
You don't have toys?
Oh, I have choice.
Oh, you have toys. What is your favorite toy?
My favorite toy is Lego.
Lego. Wow, my favorite toy is Lego. What kind of Lego? Is it a building? Is it an animal Lego? What kind of Lego?
It's a man.
It's a man? Wow. How about you, Jang?
I
What,
have a shirt.
you have a short?
Yes.
Wow, that's good to know. How about you, Jang? What is your favorite toy? What is your
Favorite
favorite?
is chess wheel.
What is that?
Chess.
Chess. Chess?
Yes.
Wow. Wow. Who do you play chess with? Do you play with your dad? Your brother?
Your I play with friends.
Oh, you play with your friends. Wow, that's good to know that you play with your friends. So it is the chess hard? Is chess or is playing chess hard or easy for you?
Hard.
It is hard. How about you, Nam? Do you play chess?
I don't have chess. Yes.
Ah, you don't have chess. Okay. What are
I
the
have
others?
chess.
You have
I have
chess.
one.
You have one chess. So what are the other things that you play besides Lego and chess?
I I I I know God's Lego.
You don't have Lego. What are the other things that you play, Jack?
Um,
Aside from chess, do you
Roblox.
play a Roblox? I also play Roblox. How about you, Nam? Do you play How about you, Nam? Do you play Roblox also?
Yes.
You, Nam, do you play Roblox?
Yes.
Oh, you do. What
And
what's
Minecraft.
Minecraft? Wow, I also play Minecraft. So I play Grow a Garden in Roblox. Do you play Grow a
No,
Garden?
I'm playing 99. Give me
Ah,
an apple tree.
nine,
Give me
what?
an apple tree.
Give me an apple trees? You play
And
that in the Roblox?
99. Yes. Forest. The forest.
I play also that game, 99 Nights in the Forest. So
99. Yes.
my longest day is like 1,000 days, 1,000 nights, I mean. So I play
It's
that. How,
Vietnamese.
what?
Vietnamese.
Vietnamese? What is that? Is it also Roblox?
Yes.
Yes. So I just
Does
only
he like to
play
play Pocky?
what what game? Pokemon?
Pocky?
Pokemon?
No, Pocky. Pocky. Yes.
What is that? What game is that? Is it in the Roblox also?
No.
No?
My sister has zero Roblox.
Your sister has no Roblox. Okay, how about you, Nam?
My sister have.
Your sister also has a Roblox. Do you play with your sister?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, very good. How about you, Nam? What are the other things that you play?
I don't want to play game. I like toys.
You like toys only?
Yes.
Yes, you only play Lego?
And race the race car.
Race car. Wow. Do you know Hot Wheels?
Yes.
Yes. What is your
Wow.
favorite what is your favorite Hot Wheels car?
No, a race car. What?
No race car? Okay, now let's have a review of what we have learned today. So, what are the animals or rainforest animals that you remember?
I like lion.
Lion? Do we have a lion in the rainforest animals?
No. Yes.
No. Is that a lion or
I like a parrot.
leopard?
I
You
like
like
a parrot.
you like the parrot? Wow. So a parrot can copy what you say. How
No, my parrot can't mm,
your parrot can't speak?
talk. No,
You
my parrot
why?
can't speak.
Teach your parrot to speak because they can speak.
No, they can't speak.
They cannot speak. They can speak if you teach them. Like you talk to your parrot every day, so you can say hello,
I
so it will copy you. Yes.
no,
No, your parrot still don't talk.
no,
Oh, so it might be a different bird.
no. It's a
Okay,
parrot.
it's a parrot.
Yes,
Oh, why does it not speak?
I don't know.
You don't know. How about you, Jang? What is your favorite rainforest animal? Jang, is it the leopard, the monkey, the beetle, the butterfly?
The frog
You
can eat water.
frog can eat what?
Dragon,
Dragon?
dragon.
Dragon? You love dragon, Nam?
No, I like ants.
You like?
Ants.
What is that? Is that an animal? A rainforest animal?
No,
No. We only talking about rainforest animals. Okay, what are those rainforest animal that we have learned today? Okay, let's review. What what animal is this?
where? Whoa, 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 whoa! Hey.
What animal?
It's a snake.
Very good. How about this
Dinosaur,
one?
a frog, a monkey, a leopard, a parrot, a
Parrot
butterfly,
and
a
frog.
frog, and
Very very good. How about you, Jang? What animal is this? Jang. Jang? Jang. What animal is this?
this is a butters.
Beetle. Very good. How about this one?
This is a frog.
Frog. How about this one?
It's a parrot.
Parrot. And how about this one?
It's a butterfly.
It's a butterfly. Wow, very good. Next. What animal is this?
A leopard.
A leopard. Very good. We call it also cat.
A monkey.
A monkey.
A
And
snake.
a snake. Very good. What do we call these animals?
Rainforest.
Rainforest animals. So very good. So this will be the end of our lesson for today, everyone. So I can see that you really understood each of our rainforest animals, especially you, Nam, and Jangs. As I can see that you really memorize well what animals are this. However, so teacher noticed that there is somehow a distraction whenever you study, but it is okay. So teacher suggests that in our next class you focus, okay? But you did a great job, both of you today, because you can answer well and also can make a sentence with our lesson for today. And also, so teacher suggests that you try reading sentences in this lesson material because some of these sentences we did not read much. Okay, so read these sentences, okay? Okay, read and study. Yeah. Okay, okay. Okay. Okay, so thank you so much, everyone.
Bye
And
bye, teacher. Bye bye,
bye-bye. I hope to see you soon again. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye,
teacher.
Jang. Bye-bye.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow, do we have class? I think our next class will be Thursday.
Okay, bye.
See you on Thursday. Bye-bye.
Thursday.
Yes, Thursday. Next day.
Oh,
Oh, bye-bye.
bye bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you so
Bye bye.
much.
Bye bye.